Humans have always believed that water exists only in oceans, rivers, and glaciers. However, science has acknowledged that there is an entire water system inside the Earth, far larger and older than we ever imagined. This water lies so deep that we cannot see it directly. Its existence is known only through indirect scientific signals. Understanding the layers of the Earth is very important. The Earth is made up of three main layers: the crust, the mantle, and the core. We live on the crust, which is only about 30 to 70 kilometers thick. Beneath it lies the mantle, which extends up to 2,900 kilometers. According to scientists, this hidden ocean of water exists between the upper and lower parts of the mantle, where temperatures reach thousands of degrees and pressure is extremely high. Why isn't this water in liquid form? This is the most interesting part. The water inside the Earth does not exist in the form of normal liquid water. If it did, it would have surfaced long ago. Instead, this water is chemically bound with minerals. There's a special mineral called ringwoodite. This mineral traps water within its crystal structure like a sponge. This means the water is not flowing freely, but is hidden inside the rocks. Why was the discovery of ringwoodite important? In 2014, scientists studied a natural sample of ringwoodite for the first time. This sample was trapped inside a diamond that had originated deep within the Earth. The ringwoodite contained water molecules. This discovery provided strong evidence that the Earth's mantle can store enormous amounts of water. According to scientists, if the water present in just this zone of the mantle were collected, it could be equal to or even greater than the amount of water in all of Earth's oceans combined. What could be the original source of Earth's water? This is where science becomes even more fascinating. Some scientists believe that Earth's water did not come only from asteroids or comets, but that it already existed within the Earth itself. When the Earth was forming, water became trapped inside minerals. Over time, this water slowly reached the surface through volcanic activity and tectonic processes, eventually forming the oceans. In other words, it is possible that the oceans actually emerged from within the Earth itself. The deep connection between volcanoes and water. When magma rises from the mantle, it carries water with it. This water increases the pressure, which is why volcanoes erupt. Therefore, regions with more water tend to have higher volcanic activity. This means water makes magma more explosive. Volcanoes bring water to the surface, helping complete Earth's water cycle. Is plate tectonics impossible without water? Earth's plates move, and this movement causes earthquakes and mountains. Scientists say that if there were no water in the mantle, the rocks would be too rigid and the plates wouldn't be able to move. Water acts as a lubricant for the rocks, allowing the plates to move smoothly. In other words, the Earth's dynamic nature exists because of water. What would happen if all this water came out? This is a theoretical question, but a very exciting one. If somehow the mantle's water reached the surface, the entire planet could become a global ocean. Mountains could be submerged underwater. The structure of life as we know it would completely change. But there's no need to panic because this water is extremely deep. Pressure and temperature keep it trapped. Sudden emergence is impossible. Why is this discovery a game changer for science? This discovery has helped scientists understand that Earth's water cycle is not limited to the surface. There is a deep connection between climate and geology. It makes it easier to estimate the possibility of life on other planets. Earth's model helps a lot in understanding signs of water on Mars or Venus. Where is future research headed? Now, scientists are working on even deeper seismic imaging, building models of the Earth's interior using supercomputers, trying to understand how water moves over time. In the future, it's possible that even more hidden water zones will be discovered. Earth is a living system. The Earth is not just a solid sphere. It is a living system where water, fire, and pressure work together to make life possible. This hidden ocean beneath the surface reminds us that we have only just begun to understand our planet. Final question: if science can discover such deep secrets, what other mysteries might still be hidden?